Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This evening, the sun is going down right now. So this is 2007 Hyundai entourage. I just got it last night, and the guy posted for $800.50, and I was gonna give him $500, but he would not take it, so I gave him $650. So anyway, the minivan is here right now. There is 8 problem with this van. You name it, it's here. So I hope you have enough patience to stay around and watch the whole video. It's going to be about 10 minutes or so. So first of the 8, I'm going around and show you around, and then there's a main problem right here. The van, you start it up, it will start, and then you go, and not even a mile or even half a mile, it will lose power, will not go. It's like you push on the gas pedal, will not respond. And then the guy told me that when I got it from yesterday, he said sometime you will go even 100 miles and it will do it. But yesterday, every time I stop at the gas station or anywhere, I take back off, it will stop immediately, about not even a mile. So in the end, we're going to get back to that one and show you how it's acting. So now let's go and look around. Okay, number 1. Door handle is broke. 2. Gas door or opener will not open. No matter how much you push on the button, will not open. 3. The tailgate or the back door, it's spray painted. The paint, it's all over right here, and it looks terrible. And this van is supposed to be for my vacation this summer, so I can go with my whole family. Or anyway, we can fix it up. So 4. Sway bar link over here in the bottom, it's broke. 5. Passenger light will not work. It doesn't work. I mean, I don't know yet. I just got here, I just got it right here. 6. Blinker or signal light, it will flash inside, but there is no light shown on the side, outside. So 7. Starters gone out. 8. Now the main problem, the car will start eventually, and then you drive for 2 or 3 minutes, it will lose power, will not cut off or shake or anything. It's just the gas will not respond or something. So in order to do this, we have to go deeper, but for right now this video is going to be very short, so let's continue a couple more minutes. Alright, engine is running. Now let's step on the gas. See, it will go down and up again, and again. Still lights going down, and it comes back alive. So I'm thinking it's got a loose wire cable somewhere between the alternator and the battery. Okay, now we just put some code. Okay, here we got 4 codes. So there is P2106 throttle actuator control system, force limiter power. P1295 limp home oil power management. P0102 mass or volume airflow sensor, a circuit low. P161B ECM torque calculation performance. Okay, now are we going to see some live data, see how they're acting, and after that we will gather some information what the top fix on this problem as you see the engine how they act. Then now here we are here in the live data. As you can see, the intake temperature is not moving. It stays on minus 40 and 40 Fahrenheit, and you can see the mass airflow rate is staying 0.13, and the bottom staying 0.13 and 4.13. So it's not moving at all, as you can see right there. See, it's not moving. So okay, we gather some information on the P106 and the P1295. The top fix on this thing is to replace throttle body, replace intake air boots, replace throttle position sensor, and the P161B is the same thing. Replace throttle body, replace intake boots. That's the top fix on this thing. And other to fix this is to clean the throttle body, clean mass airflow sensor, change air filter, check for vacuum leak. That's other fixed. And the P0102 is replaced cat converter system. So and that's the top fix on that one. And the other top fix on this, the other fix on this is to change alternator, replace oxygen sensor, check battery and alternator wiring. That's the other fix on the P0102. Okay, I hope this video helps you out. Not much information, but I hope it helps you out. So after I fix my problem with this car, I will make another video, and I will post the link under the description, the bottom. So if you need more help, just look in the bottom, should be the link over there. Not right now, but later on. But I'm gonna ahead to post this video right now, and maybe 2-3 weeks or even a month, and I will have the link of the video on my description at the bottom. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe if you like some more video that what I make. And God bless. Bye bye.